What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this awesome fenugreek and aloe vera leave-in conditioner. This is super easy. I'm using 1 teaspoon of fenugreek powder. I'm using 1 cup of hot water, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix this and let it sit while I work on the aloe vera. Fenugreek powder, fenugreek is great for your overall hair health. If you're experiencing excessive shedding, thinning, baldness, if you have dandruff, if your hair is lacking moisture, it's extremely dry, fenugreek will help you to restore that luster and shine that your hair needs. Okay, so fenugreek is awesome for the hair. Also, aloe vera is awesome. It's also great for dandruff and restoring the luster and shine in your hair, and it's great for hair growth, and it nourishes your hair and conditions your hair to give you that extreme moisture that your hair needs. So right here, I'm just going ahead and removing the spikes from the aloe, and then I'm just gonna cut the skin off, and then I'm using the back of the knife. I'm gonna scrape the aloe from the leaf. It's pretty self-explanatory. So just take a look and see how I accomplish this process. Okay, now I'm just going ahead and blending the aloe vera gel, and I'm also going to be adding my fenugreek water to this mixture after I have mixed it a little bit first, and then I'm adding the fenugreek liquid. You could call it fenugreek tea. Fenugreek is also good for cleansing and digestion, so you could actually drink it. Okay, now for the key part, using my wig cap, I'm just gonna go ahead and strain this out. You can use a cheesecloth, you can use a strainer, a fine hole strainer, whatever you have on hand, but this is to remove all the chunks and all the little skins that I miss, and whatever excess chunks. This will remove it. That way you don't have any residue of anything in your hair. So I'm just going ahead and straining out this liquid. Okay, so right here I'm adding a few key ingredients. I'm using Jamaican black castor oil. I'm also using lemongrass oil, and I'm gonna be using tea tree oil to my mixture.